How to turn on two-factor authentication on Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I am showing that how to turn on two-factor authentication on Snapchat. First of all, open the your Snapchat app. Now, click on the Bitmoji icon in left hand side. Now, go to the gear icon in top right side. And you can see I have a two-factor authentication option. Click on it. Now choose continue, and you can see I have a two option using text verification or authentication app. You can choose any option, and I have a code on my mobile number. Enter the code. Now you can skip this step or generate it. I can skip for this time, and that's it. My two-factor authentication is on. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such helpful videos.